All right, this is my center console in progress. So I'm making it out of curly maple. It's got some nice figuring on it. And right now, this is just the initial glue up of the bottom and the sides. I milled the sides and the front and back pieces to 1/2 inch thick. And then the bottom and top are milled to 3/4 of an inch. The top will have a little bit of overhang so you can grab it with your fingers. But it will also have 2 cup holders, of course a lock, and then I'm going to mill the center section of it down so it's kind of recessed, but I'll explain more of that later. So okay, there she is. Installed the 4-inch lift. Went on without a hitch, really. It would have been better to have a second pair of hands, but not too difficult to do. I'd done that rodeo before, but still have to put the skid plate spacers in so it gets the drive line at the right angle, and I got to put the drop pitman arm on. But man, it is sitting sweet. I mean, that thing is, it's easily 4 or 5 inches higher than it was because it had 31s on it. These are 35s, so that adds 2 inches at the very least. And then it's a 4-inch lift versus the 2.5. But I think you get, with a 4-inch lift, I think you get every bit of 2 inches, because I mean, that's got to easily be 4 inches taller than it was before. I mean, it's like you need a step ladder to get in. But I do have side steps that I'm going to put on there, so that'll definitely help so I can get in it. But yeah, there it is. 4-inch lift, 1-inch body lift, and the shackles I think gave it maybe a 1/2 inch, maybe another inch, so probably 6 inches total lift, and 35-inch 1250s Cooper STT Pros.